Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Volvo 2012 60, I believe. We have a blower motor is not working. If you need to work on the blower motor, you don't need to take the seat, but we took the seat out for other reason, because you need to go in there and take the blower motor out. It's supposed to be somewhere in there. When you take it out, before you start working on this car, please be advised that you need to buy this tool. If you don't have this tool, you will not be able to do anything in this car, because it looks like this is a tool that you're going to put it in. There's another one also. Yeah, this tool here, let me show you. You see here, you're gonna put it in, and it will help you take the blower motor out. But our problem is when we open it here, we found that there is a water in here. I say, we have water here. Then you say, it doesn't make sense. Maybe the water creates some signal. You see, now we open this, and we come in, and we found that still we have water. Really water that you see inside. They say that so we have to stop this job before we go crazy. Tell the customer what is there, what we're facing. It looks like there is a leak on the sunroof here, creating this problem. Have to be fixed. You don't want the customer drive this car like this, and suddenly the car shut off on him while he's driving. You see, this is the car T6 XC 60. I put one here on the top to try, main wide, and then we're gonna look at the blower motor. We replace it or we change it, and then we take it from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.